think it's been well over a year since I did one of these. It's packaged very, very firmly. But you guys will see what it's in. It's just a sneak peek. This is probably just gonna go into a short. Alright, I'm gonna skip this. Okay, I want to do the unboxing with you guys because usually I get ahead of myself. I promise you, I have not seen what's inside yet. I know what it is, but I haven't seen it. You guys know my channel, so you know what this is. And I'd assume you know what car this is for. And these are TPMS sensors. Nice, nice. I don't know if these are for these are gonna go on the TL. I'll put those aside. Show regular wiring, and here is the beast. Whoa. So it's similar to the TSX, but a little bit wider. Actually, I have the TSX here. We can measure it out. All right, so it's the same height as the TSX, but it is a little bit wider. So you guys can see that. That's a good like 3 or 4 inches more. Of course, you have your unit where it's gonna sit. Your mounting bracket right there. This is something for my baby. This is for you, baby. And this is, I assume, the GPS and camera. I think. So I came with quite a few extras because I did get TPMS sensors, which you guys should really look up. These are awesome. If your car does not come standard with TPMS, a lot of Acuras do. The 07 does as well, but the 04 TL does not. That's why these are going on the TL. But yeah, these are looking actually pretty cool. I mean, they look premium. I have to take it to my dad's tire shop and get that installed, but those look pretty premium. Somewhere in here I have a 360 camera aside from the reverse camera, and this is just the unpacking video. I want to hype you guys up for the actual video. So I think this is a dash cam. Yeah, so this is the dash cam. So this you can all buy with the same people that sell you the radio. You just have to mention it to them. And I think this is a backup camera. I think I was told 360 camera, but I think I only got front and rear. Yeah, so this is just front dash cam, rear backup camera. I don't see anything that looks like a 360 cam, but let me keep looking. I will say they did up their game in quality. The cable itself, the quality just whoo, out of the water. The insulation here. Nice, nice. I don't want to mix anything up because it looks like I have, I think, 2 harnesses. Because I think we were seeing if mine was a different harness or not. So just to not make mess of it, we got both harnesses. This is the 4G antenna. This is the jumper harness. This is some more aux cables. This is for the reverse camera, the little one. And for microphone and GPS. So no 360 camera, but that's okay. That wasn't my main focus on this anyway. But if you guys do want to see 360 camera, comment down below, and we will try to get those soon. I just haven't seen anybody install them on these. So these 2 yellow ones are your USBs, which are actually way more premium. I don't know if you guys can tell. They're a thicker gauge wire, a thicker gauge, like sort of like thing. This wire, you can't really see it, but it's really soft and smooth. I don't know if that matters to anybody, but to me it seems pretty cool. Comes with more chafing tape. Like I said, aux, some more auxiliary cables. This is probably where you connect the microphone or this. I think this is one of the 2 harnesses. So I'll have to figure that out tomorrow. Definitely the backup camera we'll have to check out really quickly, make sure it all works out. And like I said, before you connect everything and run all your wires, make sure that the unit itself works. If this unit does not work, you will not get your camera to turn on ever. I've had duds come in the mail. It's not a first. It's not a fault of a company. Sometimes you just get a dud. It's a matter of luck, I guess you could say. And I have bad luck, so I got 2 duds. Not from this company, but from Amazon. So if the camera is a dud, your camera will not work at all. Make sure that you hook everything up correctly outside of the car before you try and connect everything into the car. Otherwise, there's no point in you going and doing it all. What I like to do is I like to go through the center of the car with all the wires out, test it. If it works, run all the wires in, and call it quits. So yeah, I'm excited to see this thing turn on. So I'm gonna leave it all be because I'm not gonna be doing any of this until tomorrow. So just putting everything back now. It's not all gonna fit now, but it's gonna go back in. Microphone, GPS, some more thingies. And we're gonna go ahead and put the unit back over here. This is just gonna lay right on top for now. And the TPMS, like I said, is going on the TL. So, yeah, because I think every other car, every other Acura stock comes with TPMS. So the only one that will need TPMS is the TL. Which you guys want to see more TL content, let me know, because that is my most viewed video to date, was the install. And then the rest were like, meh. So yeah, if you guys want to see more TL content, let me know. The TSX, the CL9 I did sell, so I can't make any more content on the CL9. I can only make content on the CU2, the TL, the MDX, the Pilot, and even an RDX if you guys are interested, but that's it for me. I hear you, baby. I'm coming. All right, guys. Catch you guys later.